Rhonda and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are brand new. This week's cleaning video is going to be a power hour cleaning video. I don't know about you, but the holidays is crazy. I have so much to do during the month of December. This is also the busy week with my business, so I'm fulfilling orders in the morning and at night. It's hectic. Also, the kids usually have extra activities and parties and Girl Scout parties, so it's just insane, and I'm sure you guys are in the same boat. And because of that, a lot of my cleaning has kind of gone to the back burner, and I need to devote some time to getting the house back in order. Unfortunately, I don't have a whole lot of time during this season, so today I had about an hour to an hour and a half to focus on getting some cleaning done here at the house, and I thought I would do just a quick power hour. If you don't know what that is, you set a timer for 1 hour and you get as much cleaning done as you can. For me, I am going to try and just focus on the main areas of the home that people will see if they were to come over unannounced. So I'm doing the kitchen, here in the living room, the formal dining room, and the entry. This is not going to be a deep cleaning or a decluttering video. I'm not going to do a lot of detailed cleaning. I'm going to just try and hustle and get as much done as possible. So wish me luck. Hopefully I can do it. If you enjoy these type of videos, please give me a thumbs up. And if you are not a subscriber, please go ahead and click the subscribe button below. I post new cleaning videos every week, and during the month of December, I'm also posting one extra video every week that's related to the holidays. With that being said, let's go ahead and get started. I think I'm first going to show you what supplies I'm taking into each room to help minimize time. I'm first going to bring my cleaning caddy, and it's full of all of the supplies that I'm going to need to just clean that room. I have glass and mirror cleaner, a multi-purpose spray, my wood cleaner, my bathroom cleaner, and antibacterial spray, just a plethora of different cleaning supplies. I also have my rags and my go-to favorite Dollar Tree little duster. It's super quick and it works pretty well. And all of the rooms that I am going to be focused on, as I told you earlier, are rooms that have a tiled floor. So to clean those floors, I'm going to use my Tenco wet dry mop. It vacuums and mops your floor all at once, so it saves me an extra time and saves me an extra step. And the last thing I am bringing with me to those rooms is this empty laundry basket. My plan is to put anything that does not belong in that room, any clutter that I need to put away, I'm going to throw in this basket. That was the ice machine, by the way. I'm going to throw into this empty basket, and when I'm done cleaning, I'm going to put those things where they belong. The timer is set, and I am here in the kitchen just because I knew it would take the longest amount of time to clean. As I mentioned, I am new to the power hour cleaning game. However, I have done 10-minute quick cleans before, but I haven't ever done a full hour. So I really wasn't sure what cleaning order would be the most time effective or time saving. So I decided to just do what I usually do. I started at the kitchen table and that little desk area, and I got that picked up and wiped down, and then I made my way around the kitchen and cleaned all the surfaces and just picked up the clutter. The laundry basket that I am using to collect that clutter really came in handy, and it is a great time-saving tip when you are needing to clean super fast. And something I know about myself is that I can get distracted pretty easily, so I decided to eliminate those distractions by putting in my AirPods, and I ended up listening to a podcast which did help me get into that groove, that cleaning zone. So I'm going to keep cleaning in here in the kitchen, and hopefully this power hour will get you motivated. To clean all the surfaces in the house, I am using this Times all-purpose cleaner in Fraser Fir, and it smells so amazing. I did mention this in last week's video, but I wanted to talk about it again. But I got it in Fraser Fir, and it has a true Christmas tree smell that I love this time of year. It doesn't smell fake or chemically at all, and it's super, super fragrant. As I mentioned, I used it in the last cleaning video, and I'm still using it and loving it, but it's so expensive for what it is, and I'm not sure if I'm going to buy more, but I really do like it and would like to find something similar that is cheaper. So if you have or know of a seasonal cleaner for the holidays that has a similar smell, it's that Christmas tree type smell, please let me know what you use in the comments below.
I've tried sometimes, but you're making me nervous. No, I've realized that I can't live without you. All my friends reassure that it's obvious, and that maybe I'm wasting my time, but I gotta try. The only reason I keep sneaking out at night to laugh with you in secret under city lights. Surprised you never had the guts to figure out how I feel about you. Wish me the best of luck. I'm gonna win your love. Coming to get you, dying to feel your touch. Wish me the best of luck. Coming to get you. Wish me the best of luck. Trying to steal your hand. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. The only reason I keep sneaking out at night, keep wishing you would kiss me under city lights. I know you feel it every time I look at you. How I feel about you. Wish me the best of luck. I'm gonna win your love. Coming to get you, dying to feel your touch. Wish me the best of luck. Coming to get you. Wish me the best of luck. Trying to steal your hand. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. Never up, never down, never. Like a theme in a song, clever. Feeling high, feeling low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine. But I get up, I always do. I never think, I always do. Never thought I wouldn't jump, oh what a fool. But if I fall, I will get up again. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I can see everything clearer. Trying to fly 'cause I'm light as a feather. But I get high, I get low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine. But I get up, I always do. I never think, I always do. Never thought I wouldn't jump, oh what a fool.
The last thing I'm doing in the kitchen is getting the floors cleaned with my cordless wet dry mop that I showed you earlier. But I forgot to show you how much time was left on my watch throughout the video. And at this point, I spent 32 minutes cleaning the kitchen. I did not pause the timer, so that includes quick water breaks and moving the tripod around. So that did eat up a little bit of time. But when I moved to the living room, there's really not a whole lot to do in there. We are weirdos who cover their couches to protect it from the dogs, so I just need to get those washed, and the blankets that are on the couch too. I did use those blankets earlier that morning and it smelled like our dogs. It was really stinky. So outside of that, I just need to dust and get the floor cleaned.
the love. I feel it growing every day. I feel the love. I feel the love. I hope it never goes away.
Unfortunately, I didn't get you a before shot or a close-up shot of the floors, but they always need to be cleaned just because of the dogs. And with the dark wood floors, their hair shows up so easily. There's just little, I would say dust bunnies, but Charlie bunnies all over the floor of his hair. So if I need to clean the floors on a day when I don't use my Tenco, I will either use my cordless vacuum or my microfiber dry mop, which I got years ago from Norwex. Both work great, and the dry mop actually gets under the furniture a little bit better, but I did need to mop the floors, so I used my Tenco obviously today.
What's your number? I wanna go under. Making you a memory, that's really all I need. I'm alive and breathing, living my best life. Love is on my mind and it's making me high. I'm staying in this moment, though it's hard sometimes, but I work it out every once in a while. I feel love. I feel love. I feel
At this point of my cleaning, I was getting quite the workout. I was definitely working up a sweat, just bebopping around and trying to get everything cleaned quickly. I also closed my exercise ring on my Apple Watch, so I got some great cardio for the day, yay. All I have left to do on my to-do list is get the floors cleaned in here and then clean up the entryway. I also noticed that I forgot to clean the little bar area between the kitchen and the living room, so you will see me run over there and get that cleaned up real quick.
I've got something on my mind. I bet you know what I'm thinking about. You know I can't stop loving you. Every time when you're looking at me, it feels like my heart is skipping a beat, yeah. You know I can't live without you. You make me crazy in a good way, so come on, babe.
When all was said and done, I got everything done in just under an hour. I didn't have time to do another room, so I just called it a day and gave myself a big pat on the back for just everything that I got done. I think that if I do time cleanings more often, I will be able to get even more done in that hour. I think what really helped me today was having everything that I need in the room that I'm cleaning, like all the cleaning supplies in the laundry basket. And real quick, this is what that laundry basket has. Everything that I collected in those rooms I put in here, and this is everything that I need to put away. I can't remember where I heard about the laundry basket tip, but having that with me to quickly throw clutter into was a big help because I wasn't running room to room putting things away like I usually am. And I say this all the time, but if you don't have a cordless wet dry mop like my Tenco, then definitely grab one if it's on your radar. I know there are lots of options out there in various price ranges, but I saved a ton of time by avoiding sweeping or vacuuming the floors and then mopping. I linked the one that I have in the description box below in case you are curious about it. So if you do this type of time cleanings, please comment and send me your tips on what you do to get your house cleaned up quickly. Personally, I am loving this for those days or weeks like what's happening right now where I don't have a whole lot of time to clean, and I'm definitely going to do this many times again. I'll probably do another power hour video next week and target those rooms I didn't get to today, like the bathrooms, my office, the master bedroom, those rooms. If you like these type of power hour videos, please let me know and I'll gladly do more of them in the future. Also, give this video a thumbs up if it helped you and gave you some motivation today. If you made it this far, please consider subscribing as well. It really helps me out and it will help you too because you will know when I have brand new videos. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
Let's talk about love. Like
Hi, I'm Ruby. And I'm Gemma. Thanks for watching. Bye. Bye.